Welcome to our channel. If you want to plan for early retirement and achieve financial independence sooner, follow these step-by-step instructions for success. Step 1. Define your early retirement goals by determining your target retirement age and calculating how many years of expenses you'll need to fund. Step 2. Calculate your FIRE number, financial independence retire early, by multiplying your annual expenses by 25 to 33, depending on how conservative you want to be with withdrawal rates. Step 3. Track your current spending meticulously for 3 months to understand your baseline expenses and identify areas where you can reduce costs. Step 4. Increase your income through career advancement, side hustles, or passive income streams to accelerate your savings rate significantly. Step 5. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts including 401k, IRA, HSA, and brokerage accounts for tax-efficient growth. Step 6. Invest aggressively in diversified, low-cost index funds while you're young and can tolerate market volatility for higher long-term returns. Step 7. Keep your housing costs below 30% of income by choosing affordable living situations, house hacking, or paying off your mortgage early. Step 8. Create multiple income streams that can sustain you in early retirement, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or semi-passive business income. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.